Okay, new topic. What is love? I know of one where you fall in love with the person and you love the idea of the person. Like, you've built an entire imagination with this particular person. You think you can, live a life with them, live a life with your idea, which then when you end up with the person, I think reality hits, life crashes down, and then you struggle to survive, and things don't go as per your imagination. They never do. And then there's this kind of love. Um, you fall in love with the person because the person helps you fall in love with yourself. You are reminded of who you are. You're reminded of why you are such an awesome person. It's that feeling that the person brings out in you. You kind of fall in love with that feeling. You develop this level of respect in your eyes for yourself, and simultaneously for the person, because somewhere being around that person makes you feel complete in your own self. These people are like healers. They come and save you when you're drowning, or they do something for you. They do something for your soul. There's a healing for your soul which you fall in love with. So I think this is the kind of spiritual love. One, you have the, okay, I love you and you're great, and you fall in love with the person and the emotions connected with the idea of that person. And then there's spiritual love, where you fall in love with yourself. That person somewhere brings out that thing in you which you've suppressed over the period of years of growing up, and you've suppressed it so much that you've forgotten a part of you, what you are like, what is what are your likes, your dislikes. You've merged into some blob with other people to become this version of you, which is not true. So if you find somebody who helps you grow in spiritual love, I think that's the one. I think that's what is the ultimate feeling of love. And in spiritual love, you can never end up hating your own self. You can never have the feeling of self pity. You can never end up having that feeling of loneliness, because you start feeling complete in yourself. So, if you're blessed with somebody with whom you've fallen in love and fallen in spiritual love, I think there's a hand of God in that, and you're very good karmas in that, and you're really a blessed person. So, hang on tight to that spiritual love. Don't let it go.